Imagine you've just crushed a grueling workout. You're sweaty, exhausted, and feeling unstoppable until you reward yourself with a double cheeseburger and fries. After all, you earned it, right? Here's the kicker. While exercise is undoubtedly a powerful tool for improving your health, it may not be enough to tackle weight loss on its own. So, can exercise really replace dieting for weight loss? Let's unpack this conundrum. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. First, the science of weight loss boils down to a simple equation: calories in versus calories out. To shed pounds, you need to create a calorie deficit, meaning you burn more than you consume. Exercise definitely helps with the burn part of the equation. But here's the catch: it's not as much as you might think. For instance, running a mile burns about 100 calories for the average person. That's great until you realize that a single slice of pizza can undo all that effort. See the problem? Research supports this, showing that exercise alone often results in minimal weight loss. Studies reveal that without dietary changes, the calorie deficit created by exercise may not be enough to move the needle on the scale significantly. Why? Because exercise makes you hungrier. Your body, always the loyal survivalist, compensates by increasing your appetite, encouraging you to eat back the calories you just torched. But it gets even trickier. Many of us overestimate how many calories we burn during exercise and underestimate how much we consume. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking, I worked out today, I can have dessert, not realizing that our efforts might not even cover the whipped cream on top. That said, let's not throw exercise under the bus. It's an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. Exercise boosts your metabolism, strengthens your heart, and builds muscle, which burns more calories at rest. Plus, it has mood-boosting benefits that dieting alone can't match. However, when it comes to weight loss, research shows that combining exercise with a thoughtful diet is the most effective strategy. Here's why diet matters so much. Calorie control is far easier through food choices than by trying to outrun a bad diet. Think about it. Skipping a sugary soda saves 150 calories in seconds, whereas burning the same amount requires a 30-minute walk. Diet is where the heavy lifting happens, while exercise plays a supportive role in ensuring those pounds stay off and your body gets stronger. So, if exercise alone isn't the golden ticket to weight loss, what's the winning formula? It's about balance. A well-rounded approach that pairs regular physical activity with a nutritious, calorie-conscious diet is the best bet for sustainable results. Aim to eat whole, minimally processed foods like lean proteins, vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats, while keeping portion sizes in check. Meanwhile, exercise can help you maintain your weight loss, tone your body, and improve your overall well-being. Let's also address another elephant in the room. Weight loss isn't the only measure of success. Sometimes the scale doesn't budge because you're building muscle, which weighs more than fat but takes up less space. That's why it's crucial to focus on how you feel, your energy levels, strength, and even how your clothes fit. In conclusion, exercise is a fantastic sidekick for weight loss, but not the superhero. Diet is the main player in creating the calorie deficit needed for significant changes on the scale. Together, they make a dynamic duo that's tough to beat. So, next time you hit the gym, remember, it's not a free pass to eat anything, but it's definitely an investment in a healthier, happier you. Just don't forget to balance it out with smart food choices. Your future self will thank you. You got this. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe for a healthy and fulfilling life. Remember, your health is your wealth.